Today we have an exciting update for social proof customers. So far, you are able to request for video and text testimonials from your users. But a lot of you have reached out and asked for the ability to collect any kind of feedback from your users, the ability to design your own custom forms. So that's what we have for you. So now if you go into social proof, you'll have two sections, the standard forms and the custom forms. To begin with, your custom form section is going to be empty. To create a custom form, simply say new form, and that will take you to the form design section. So here you can design the form, specify the logo so that it aligns with your brand design. And then you can specify the background color and then specify the button colors as well. And then you can specify the details of the form. So let's say you are running a course and you want to get feedback from your customers about a specific course that they took. So you can say, okay, and then specify the number of fields you want to collect. So let's say I want to collect the name, the email, the feedback itself, and the rating from the user. And finally, specify the thank you message. You can say, thank you for taking the time to leave your feedback. Okay. And simply click generate form. And now our AI will look at the fields and then create a beautiful form that meets your brand guidelines. Now you can see that the form is now generated. So you can see that the form has been generated in the brand color that we specified, with the logo that we supplied and the text and the number of fields that we presented. Now, if you open the form, your users will see this form exactly. And when they submit, the course can use more video lessons. Otherwise, it was great, right? This is the feedback that they're giving, and the rating is 4. Now they submitted, and there's a thank you message that they are displayed. And now if you come back, go to the survey section, you can see that feedback from them has actually been captured. So this particular feature is not for testimonial collection, but it's more for capturing any kind of feedback that will help you get more insights about the user. As you can see, this is very basic at this point. Now you can create any number of surveys, and you can filter the surveys responses by the surveys out here. You can also, send survey requests through the email. So if you go to the generate magic link section, now you have an option toggle button which says whether you want to collect a survey, testimonial, or a survey. Now, if you want to collect surveys, simply click the toggle, and when you select that, you will get all of the surveys that you created, and you can send a copy of the invitation or manually send an email directly to the user as well. And eventually what we wanted to provide is meaningful data on top of these surveys. Let's say you got 100 responses. We want to use AI to create graphs or create reports that will help you understand what the primary concern from the users are. But then that's for the future. But we wanted to roll this out as quickly as possible so that we can get feedback and see in what ways we can improve the survey functionality further.